shit with Georgia, boy. Don't say I ain't told you, boy. Fixing it when it's over, boy. He gon' get you litty, boy. 706 the city, boy. Don't take your time to end it, boy. He gon' get it finished, boy. Hondas, pickups, throwback shit. He can fix a Mac 11. He can even fix a car that came out back in 57. Mini bikes and Escalades. Georgia boy gon' set you straight. Hit up on that YouTube channel and subscribe to him today. He kicking shit with Georgia boy, thugging it with Georgia boy. Need to fix your motor, boy. Come learn that shit from Georgia boy. If you think it's over, boy, thinking your car is folding, boy, you don't gotta worry, boy. Just go type in Georgia boy. Just go type in Georgia boy.
What's going on, gang? It's actually been a few days later since we had did them spark plugs in Tahoe. Shoot, I just been going through everything with truck still. It seemed like it want to run hot, y'all. So I think I'm finna go ahead and take this water pump loose today, because that's about the only thing I can think of. I'm gonna have to drain the coolant again. I'm finna have to take the water pump out, cause the water pump rusty. I don't know why it's rusty like that. That's probably old. I'm not sure. I know when the motor was built, it was put on there, so we gonna go ahead and take that off and get us another one. We're gonna replace that with us another one, brand new one, so I know it's brand new. But when I take it off, I'm gonna take it apart too. On the back side, I wanna look at those blades. I wanna look at the blades on them and make sure that everything intact. Now, this mug is running hot, y'all. It ran hot the other day when I was trying to test drive it. It ran hot on me, so I'm finna see what that do today. So y'all stay tuned, man. Look how rusty that water pump is. I know y'all been seeing me talking about it. That mug, that was so rusty. Can't rock like that, y'all. That mug so rusty. Everything else look good on the motor except for that water pump. I should have painted it, but I just want to replace it first. I'm gonna replace it. We might paint it black when I go get another one today. Definitely want to take that off though, man. That ain't gonna. I'm just gonna start there because I done already replaced the thermostat been replaced already. I done flushed this thing. And then also, y'all, I want to get a funnel. I want to get one of those spill-proof funnels, y'all, so that I can burp it properly, man. That's what we're gonna be doing today, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notification, man. Let's go ahead. Let me go and get y'all set up so I can go ahead and start taking this thing off, man. Y'all stay tuned. Lock in. Georgia boy 706. Alright, gang, what I just did was went on ahead and disconnected the heater hose from the water pump and the lower hose from the water pump and took the belt out, and now I can go ahead and take the water pump out. It's 4 bolts, 2 on each side, I believe. I'm gonna get that knocked out, put y'all back on the time lapse. how I feel about this shit so tight. It's hard to get up out of here. That would make me bring something like this in the water. That's two. That's four. Shucks. I don't know, gang. It looking like it's alright. Help it actually look like it's alright, so I don't know. I'm finna take this back plate off right here. I'm gonna take this back plate off and I'm gonna see what that shit looking like. But it don't look bad, man. I ain't rusty or nothing. Well, I keep cooling in there, so I know it won't be rusty, but I think the outside just rusted bad, y'all. That's all. But we finna see, man. Like I said, it looked bad from the look good, and that's the only thing I could think of why it would be running hot, because either that or it needs to be burped. Because look, coolant good. Coolant good, like. Real for real. I said I just changed the thermostat, everything, but that temp getting up like over 220, man. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. I don't like that. I think I got a 180 thermostat in here. So yeah, that's what we finna do, y'all. Try to replace that water pump. And like I said, I'm gonna see if I can damn, they ain't even have no gasket on her. Oh, they still on here. I'm gonna see if I can goddamn take this plate off and see if that was in the good. And then I'm gonna still get me that spill proof funnel so I can burp it right this time. So y'all stay tuned. It's hot out here. Georgia boy 706. All right, gang. Took backing off. This water pump good. This water pump good. Cause if it wasn't, this blade will be able to spin freely. And it's very much intact, y'all. So I know this water pump good. So what I'm gonna do is I ain't break none of the gasket and I took it off, so I'm finna put it back on there. Put the backing plate back on there and hopefully it don't leak on me now that I took it off. I think she gonna be alright. Put that back on there, and plus it's a little hole up here. If the water pump was leaking, water would be coming out this hole right here. And it's not, so I don't think ain't nothing wrong with it, man. It ain't bad, y'all. I'ma put it back on there, and then, like I said, I'm gonna go get that spill proof funnel and some more coolant, and we gonna see what she do, man. Cause I know for a fact this damn radiator is supposed to hold way more coolant than that. I ain't spilled that much. I spilled a little bit of, but not that much, man. So we finna see, y'all. I'ma cut y'all back off. Cut y'all back on when I got this water pump put back together and back on the truck. Oh, I'm gonna hit it with some of this black engine paint, guys. It's more ugly. I know it's some good now, so it's worth painting. I'm gonna get it painted real quick. This ain't no damn black, it's red. Oh, that's Chevy orange, y'all. Oh, that. I like the Chevy orange, but that ain't what I want to do. That ain't it. Let me see if I can find something else, y'all. Cut y'all back on. Cut y'all back on. I'm gonna find something. Ooh, it's hot out here, y'all. Alright, here we go. My bad, y'all. Got the right thing now. I think it's black. It's hot out here, I know that. I'm black. Skirt. Shit. It might be my little time to take my break now, y'all, cause I'm trying to be beaking out here. That be a beacon. It done came out on me. It's gonna be right above my head. So yep, I think I'm gonna take this time to go get the coolant. Gonna spray this and be letting that dry. And go get the coolant. Cool off and go get the kids something to eat. Come on back to the house. Oh yeah, with the doggone, so y'all gonna let me forget. With the I need that funnel, the spill-proof funnel. Well, I'm gonna go get all that, y'all. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man. Man, that thing already looking better, y'all. Already look better. That don't mean they gonna goddamn keep this damn truck cool though. But like I said, upon my physical inspection, I don't think nothing wrong with it. Then it didn't seem like nothing was wrong with it. So we're gonna go back with it. Try it one more time. I'm gonna go get this spill-proof doggone funnel so I can lock it on to my doggone radiator, and I can be filling it up. And it's gonna sit up higher than the radiator, so it's gonna force all them bubbles and stuff up out my coolant system if it's air in it. I'm pretty sure it's air in it now, but yeah, it's gonna deal with that. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all that down too when I come back. Wipe all that little crud and dirt and dust off it down. Clean it up while I got it broke down, y'all. But yep, y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Let me go get this coolant. Go get this doggone spill-proof filter, and I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. Y'all lock in. I mean spill-proof funnel. I don't know why I keep on messing it up. Spill-proof funnel, and I'll be back, y'all. All right, gang. Back from the parts store. Got what I needed from the old Harbor Freight. Got me some new fresh coolant. Go back in here too. So let's get it. Get this thing put back together. Oh, we should be good to go, man. Let's see if she doggone stay cool for us now. Oh, that water pump about dry. I'm gonna go over it one more time, y'all. One more time. It's dry. Go over that one more time while I open up this right here and get this ready. Yes, sir. Find me a box cutter real quick so I can get that right there open up, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guess I'll give y'all a little sneak peek, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she snatched. She snatched. Motor right there. LS time. That's in another video though. She snatched. Oh, get back to work on the C10 on the CC. Hit her one more time. Getting out that chrome. That's gonna make it look a whole lot better though. That's for sure. Cause it was just an eyesore. Just looking ugly. That's gonna make it look a whole lot better. Let that dry. Let me go ahead and open this. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. All right, gang, we got the water pump put back on, but seems like it's finna rain on my head, so I'm finna just put this belt back on and go in the house, and I'm gonna come back outside. I'm gonna let it do a little thing. Y'all know it don't rain but about a couple minutes. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna put the belt on real quick, then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Once it get done raining, we'll fill it up with some coolant, crank it up, let it run, and try to get these bubbles and stuff out the airline and see if that help it. Y'all stay tuned. All right, gang, got the belt back on. Now, yeah, what the heck coming on back together now? I really need to, let me tighten up the drain plug. Alright, gang, I think that's about it. Done sweating like a fool out here. But it done cooled off. It ain't rain yet. It ain't rain yet, but it about to, y'all. It done cooled off though. Got the water pump back on. Got drain plug filled up. What else, y'all? What I'm missing? I think that's it. Clamps tightened up on both of the hoses. I think that's it, gang. So we gonna go ahead and start trying to put some coolant in them. Go ahead and fill it up, then crank it up, let it run, then post some more in it. So that's what I'm finna do now. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up while it's off, and then crank it up and fill it on up some more. Yes, sir. Set y'all up. It ain't rain yet, y'all, so I'm gonna try to get this thing filled up so I can crank it up, man. I had that orange stuff, that orange coolant last time. This time I'm going with the green. See if this gonna make a difference. Oh hell. I don't waste it. I'm gonna see if this make a difference, gang. Hopefully this make a difference right here. One in there. I'm finna crank this mug up. Pull all this through. I'll stick with it. I'm gonna get it done. Gonna get it done, gang. All right, we go find my keys real quick. I'm gonna cut y'all back on after I got the car crunk up, or the truck crunk up. Put but one gallon in there, y'all. This radiator big as hell. It's doing its thing though, man. It's doing its thing. My GoPro got 7%, so I'ma die on y'all. But let me go ahead and finish getting this put in here. And we're gonna see how she's performing after that, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. All right, gang. I've been letting her run now for about 10-15 minutes. I know she, yeah, that thermostat been opened up. Let's see why temperature is. Temperature, y'all can see that. Temperature is right there about 175. And I got a 180, I got a 170 thermostat. I want to say either 160 or 180. In between the two, I know that because that thermostat opening up before it's 180 degrees. So the fan's on right now because I got the fans to come on. I got a temperature switch for the fans on a relay. That's my temperature switch right there. Temp switch. That go to my fan relay, y'all. So my fans automatically kick on when my thermostat reach about 170, 175. They'll kick on, but y'all see them bubbles. Still got some bubbles coming up out of them. That's why I like this right here, because it's supposed to get all your air out of it. Once some bubbles stop, then you know you got all your air. Then you can go ahead and put this little plunger that I got. I can show y'all without this shit falling over. Put this little plunger back in there, like that, and that'll stop it. Yeah, right now I'm still getting out. Still letting it on in there. I'm gonna continue to let this more run probably about another 10 more minutes. And we gonna see where we at, y'all. I'll cut y'all back off. I can already tell y'all that that's what it was. I had air in my line, a whole bunch of air in my line. It needed to burp. It needed to burp itself, y'all. Cause I done had it running. Last time I cranked it up out here and just had it running, it ran hot on me. That mug ain't went up to 180 yet, man. It ain't that hot out here, but still though, it ain't going up. It's staying right there where it's supposed to be at, y'all. I think we good. I think we good. I'ma still just let it run. Like I said, I'm still seeing bubbles. So I'ma keep on letting it run until I don't see no more air in there. And I know I done about got most of the air about the line. Well, about the cooling system. Good to go, man. Hey, if y'all ain't got one of these, man, get y'all one. Get one of these right here. I promise you, it'll save you a whole bunch of headaches. Y'all see how I just took that whole freaking water pump off and everything. Cause I wanted to know for sure that all my components were good, you know? And by that water pump being rusted like that, I thought it was bad, but that water pump ain't bad. That boy is flowing real good. We ain't got no leaks. So that's another up. I think we good to go, y'all. Bubbling. Still bubbling. That's what it's supposed to do though. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Blowing too, y'all. Well, I'm gonna have me some nice ass heat. Have me some nice heat. Blowing through there. Well, I'm gonna have me some nice heat though, and AC next summer for y'all lads. Yes, sir. Y'all see that vintage air? Y'all see what that say? Yes, sir. She blowing too. Shucks. She blow. Have me some nice heat in here. She blowing, y'all. Temp still stand up. That temp still stand up. Let's say 180. Last time I drove it, that motor was all the way up here to the doggone, to almost at 220. So, I think I got it, y'all. I think I got it. I got it. I still ain't get to wash it or nothing, man. I told y'all the other day, I had wanted to wash it. But my homeboy, well, my cousin had pulled up. Cousin pulled up and I helped him do his spark plugs on his truck. So we ain't get time to do it, man. So that's my bad, y'all. That's my bad. But I know still got y'all some good content in the video. And we're gonna get it cleaned up, man. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna get it cleaned up. I still wanna put my other door panel back on. I told y'all I gotta figure out what's going on with that window. But all in due time, day by day, man. Y'all just stick with me, man. Hit that like button, subscribe, stay up for notifications. Y'all comment down below, man. Y'all comment down below. I'ma go and get this button up, y'all. I'ma go and finish this right here up. So I see now we fixed the problem on that. So I'ma go and end this video, man, cause I know it's way longer than what I wanted it to be, but hope y'all enjoy it. Until I see y'all next time, y'all stay safe. Georgia Boy 706 out.